may I introduce to you our next speaker for this evening, Miss Lani Nafarete.
I'm very thankful dahil napagsalita po ako dito. For me kasi this kind of event is my ticket to my great journey in N-World. Every time po na nakakapasok ko to something greater, maybe this is just part of what I really wanted to happen to my life. Whenever I do something, I really doing my best. So when I entered this kind of industry, nagkaroon po ako ng pag-asa. So, I'm very thankful of my upline for bringing me in this type of industry na dito pala, kahit pagod ka, alam mo may kapalit. It was truly overwhelming being part of N-World, basically because nabago niya yung buhay namin. Dapat bawat isa sa atin, iniisip natin na meron tayong purpose sa mundo. Baka mamaya ang purpose mo rin is to share your talents and at the same time to inspire people and motivate them. And yun, so siguro po, ang nakita ko lang na learnings is you just have to follow what your uplines would tell you. Hindi ka nila ili-leads to something na pangit. And it never fails. I will always owe everything to my upline, but definitely to N-World. And siguro my message is you just have to embrace change. Kaya nangyayari yan, maaaring for you to get higher and higher and higher. So, yun lang po. Thank you very much po.